Life moves fast. That's where Ford Mobile Service comes in. We make routine maintenance and light repairs easy by bringing the service to you. No hassle, no waiting, just expert care wherever you are. Oil and filter changes, brake service, battery services, tire rotation, blade replacement, bulb and lamp replacements, diagnostic scanning, software updates, and much more. Don't see what you need? Just give us a call at 405-282-2727 and we'll let you know if we can handle it with Mobile Visit. While we're there, we'll perform a multi-point inspection to keep you informed about your vehicle's condition. And don't worry, we use genuine Ford parts to ensure every repair meets the highest quality standards. So let us bring the service to you. Call us or click online and schedule your appointment today and let us make it convenient for you with Ford Mobile Service.